guys, we are moved in. It is now April, and I first want to say I appreciate every last one of my subscribers that have supported me, that have purchased products from my Buy Ho merch, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have even opened up my second channel. Because we have, sorry y'all, my cat. But because there are people that have decided to support me, I just want to say I appreciate you guys for being patient, because I could have shipped out these orders a while ago. And excuse my nails. Can you please stop? Like, seriously, cut it out. Sorry, y'all. But excuse my nails, but throughout this moving process, I've literally broken every nail. Hold on, let me show you. I've literally broken almost every nail. One on this hand, but multiple, like 3 on this hand. It sucks, but yeah, I could have sent these products out a while ago, but because I wanted to create content for my second channel, you guys have chosen to support me, or choosing to support me, or you guys are choosing to support me by one, purchasing these items and waiting 1 month for me to ship them out so I can create content. I am forever grateful for y'all. I really do appreciate it. No, in the future, it's not going to take this long to send out products, but because this is my first batch of products to ship out from my T page, I wanted to document this. So I do plan on giving everybody that ordered the first 50 orders, I plan on giving you all a special gift in the packages that you guys receive coming in June. So I really appreciate that. But let's talk about packages. These are some packages that I just recently ordered from Amazon. So let's open them up and let's look and see what they are. This is what we got going on, y'all. So these are not the boxes that the mugs will be shipped out of, but these are the boxes that they came in, and it's just, you know, simple basic boxes. Now I could have custom my boxes with the people that custom my mugs, but it would have made each mug maybe like I want to say like $10 each. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to test it out. So, you know, if people actually like my products and like my mugs, then I'm going to do more custom boxes, but with like my logo on it. But as of now, this is what they come shipped in. And I like to take them all out of these boxes because we won't be using these boxes. There are other boxes that I am using. Granted, you know, it would be, you know, smart and easy if I just sent the items out within these boxes, but I want to actually put my stamp on the brand, or on my brand, and I'm currently just am not in a position where I can afford, well, I'm testing everything out, right? This is my first lunch. So for my first lunch, I didn't really know, you know, about the boxes. So just wanted to give you guys a disclaimer on that. But I do plan on doing custom boxes, etc. in the future. So yeah, I like to take them out of the boxes. We have 2 shipments that I want to finish today, and then I have to do the shirts and the shorts and the clothing. Right now we're just working on the mugs and trying to get them organized, and they are all bubble wrapped, and I'm just sitting them here to organize them, and then I'm going to add them on the shelves. So these are the classic Buy Ho mugs, spelled H-E-A-U-X, and I have them in black and in white. And then these are the 90s Buy Ho mugs, which I have in black, in white, and in black as well. And so that is just currently what we're working on. These are my mugs from the lunch, because you know I had to purchase my own mugs, y'all. When you're a small business owner, don't think that you're just gonna be getting free stuff. You have to actually buy your own shit, okay, girl? Okay. So these are my mugs. I have my by Ho in black and in white, and then I have my by Ho in white, and then the black one is in the kitchen. This one actually can go down here for organization. Okay, I am all done depackaging all of the mugs. Those are all of the shirts, y'all. I can't even get into that at this moment. I have to still organize these mugs, which in my opinion are the most important because they are seemingly the top selling products on my website. Everybody are filling the mugs. Here's some bubble wrap that I'm going to be using to ship out those mugs, but these are just some backups that I don't necessarily need to take out the box just quite yet because I don't have a place for them. So I'm going to store these in a storage bin, and I'm going to label them. That way when it's time to, or when I run out of the main stack, I can just take these and refill them. So here are the mugs that I have to ship out so far. So here's what I have to ship out so far, but before I ship them out, I want to organize them on a shelf, etc. We have a whole lot of Biho mugs, the classic, the 90s version, which is in the black right here, and then the white. Whole lot of Biho mugs. Y'all are feeling these, and I love that for y'all. And then we have the classic Biho mugs in granite. These are, I want to say, like, these are my favorite because it has the, let me show you guys up here instead of opening those, but these I would have to say are my favorite because it just has the, ooh, my hands are ashy. But these are my favorite because it has the peace sign, which I would consider my hand, and then the Biho. I just thought this was so cute. This was actually one of my very first original Biho logos. So this is why this is the classic Biho logo on the mug. These are absolutely one of my favorites. I love them in black. So yes, these are one of my favorite mugs, but I have these mugs because I do know there are a lot of Christian women that follow and support my channel, and they don't like the whole spelling H-O-E. Totally understand that. So I just wanted to make sure they had, because they like the saying, but the H-O-E is a little bit too vulgar. So these are a second option for them. Oh, I just banged that, and look, no scratches or anything like that. So they can be considered to be pretty sturdy. And so, and here's the Biho in white. So you guys are eating these up, okay? The Biho in white, y'all are eating these up, and I like that for y'all. Okay, I really do. So these are all the ones that I'm going to be shipping out. I ordered 50 or 75 of each mug. I'm going to have to go back and look at my stats when and the reason why I say 50 or 75, because I think originally I wanted to order 50, and I think the people were telling me that I had to order a certain amount in order to mix them up the way that I wanted to. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So I have everything out the package and everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sweep, clean up, and then we're gonna be doing the shirts and everything tomorrow. However, those of you inquiring about the shirts, now I have some tester shirts here. These are all my tester shirts. And so I can show y'all these are all the shirts that I'm going to be giving away to my friend, and then I'm just going to be holding them for giveaways. But these are the tester shirts, and I can show them to you guys. These were shipped out to me, I want to say these were shipped out to me I want to say April the 5th or so, 5th or 7th, I don't know. But here's what the Biho shirts look like. I got samples in every size, so I kept all of the extra smalls, and then the sizes that are obviously too big, I'm going to be giving them all away to my friends and family and doing giveaways. So you guys be looking out for that. But these are just simple Biho shirts. It's the crew neck. Here is what it looks like in pink. Cute, cute, cute. And then let me show you guys the other colors. This is what it looks like in black. Here's what it looked like in black, and I love it in black. Okay, I love it in all of these colors. Like, I think it looks so cute. Here is what it looks like. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let me see. Okay, but here is the classic Biho shirt, and here's what it looks like in white, because yes, people have been ordering this. This is what it looks like. Cute. And this is what we call the defined Biho shirt, and it just says Biho, and this is what Biho means to me. It's not like girl bi, it's not, you know what I'm saying? It's just I wish not to engage with your willful ignorance. I function on such a high vibration, I could not fathom such low depths. So that's what Baiho means over here, y'all. But let me see. I think y'all saw it in black. Okay, yes, we saw it in black. Let me show y'all the Baiho in nude, because we only sell these in nude white. So here's what it looked like with the nude. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to show y'all what it looks like in blue. But girl, okay, here it is. Blue. That's what it looks like in blue. Here's what it looked like in white. Cute, cute, cute. Yep. So yeah, these are just some sample shirts that I had, and yeah, and I've just been waiting to give them to my friends and family and do giveaways over on my channel. But we're gonna be packing up orders of the Baiho merch tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for that, or in my next video, because I'm probably not going to be posting that video tomorrow, but I will be posting that video, so y'all stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching my channel.